Okay, I really need slabs. Like, actually, really need slabs.
So what is the I really need percentage?
Fair.
Which is?
Fair. Come on, bro.
Is it 75?
Let's cook. What? 75%?
Yeah, you're paying 75? You're paying 85, 90?
I don't want all of it. I only want some cards. Oh,
Can I buy this for $35?
I don't need seals. I'm sorry. Look at the camera. Oh, can I tell you the cards I really need?
What do you want? Yeah, what do you want? What do you really need?
The Umbreon, Reshiram Charizard.
Well, take them out. You want this?
Yes.
You want this?
Both those Espeons.
You want this?
Mega Venusaur, Ray, Rainbow Umbreon, and the Lily next to it, Pikachu, and the base set Charizard.
Are you just taking all the expensive ones?
No, I'm only taking the cheap cards. That's like 10 slabs, right? Yeah. I think I'm not cooking you that hard. I'll be fair.
You want these 9s? Take all these 9s. Don't worry.
Maybe. Tina? It's worth like 180, not 200 by the way.
Oh, whatever.
You're trying to cook me? That Pikachu's like what, 20 bucks, 30 bucks? It's cute. I'll take it. It's cute. Sylveon? It's like 280. It's not 3, is it?
Yeah, whatever. We'll round up.
Give me a Golden Pulse real quick. Make it feel good.
Golden Pulse.
You have 2 of them? Holy shit, you're printing. You want to take those Mewtwo's?
Yeah.
Let me see one of them. Let me see what mark it is. Did you grade all those?
No, I bought them like that.
You bought them for like 100 bucks each. Hey, be nice to the kids, man.
That's what I say to you. Be nice to civilians, man. That's what you said.
Because I know you need it so much, I'm going to buy it before you.
Buy what?
The Espeon.
You mean the Sylveon?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. He wants to hijack my deal. He just hijacked my Sylveon.
Yeah, it's okay.
Good job, kid. Wait, so you don't want to buy this?
Not yet.
Well, why do you want to change that?
Because I need change in
You're gonna,
He's cooking you, Ro.
is that a fake $100 bill?
Probably.
Oh,
This guy almost tried to steal slabs from us yesterday. I'll value it at 200, not 230.
And then where would you want to, you do like,
Watch, he's
What?
gonna ask for a coin flip.
for me?
83.
It's a week, man.
What?
It's a week, man. I need 80, at least.
On a
80,
9?
at least. You need sell, bro.
Okay, let's add the stack. Ready?
Oh, I don't know.
He's gonna coin flip.
But do you want this or no? And then, what? Thank you. Shake my hand.
Actually, I want that.
What?
I want my $100 bill back.
But you have my 20.
No, fine. Give it to me.
Okay, that's it. Kid's wild, bro.
That was a scam attempt.
Yeah.
These are my followers. The only kids that support me are them.
When's your birthday?
Holy shit, bro.
Alright, so I need, honestly, I need 85. I can't go lower than
We'll cook.
I need 85.
Okay, hold on. Add them up. So without the Charizard, we're at 45.70.
Okay.
So far, we got a Lily, a Sylveon, a Pikachu, a Reshiram Charizard Rainbow, 2 Shiny Rayquaza, Shiny Umbreon, another tag team Rainbow, Espeon, Mega Venusaur, another Shiny Ray, Rainbow Espeon again, Shiny Mewtwo, a Giratina, a Pikachu, Armored Mewtwo, Rainbow Pika, Blaziken Rainbow, Pikachu Zekrom tag team, 2 Sylveon VMAXs, and 6 Test Tube Mewtwo's, and a Rainbow Umbreon. Market's 45.70 so far in the stack. With the Charizard, come on, base set Charizard. What do you want? What do you want?
Give me 11.
That's high. 10.50 on that. And I'll pay you, what was market here? 45.70?
Yeah.
Market? I'll pay you 4,800 for everything. 4,800 is fair, man.
That's fair. I paid high. That's why.
And you just lost in the casino last night, right? I heard.
Yeah, I'm only 800 bucks.
How much?
800 bucks.
Ah, it's okay.
Yeah,
For you,
not bad.
you print.
A little bit.
You're the printer. Let's go
Let's do 49.50.
48.50.
49.50.
Flip me.
48.50, 49.50.
No, 48.49. Where's your coin? Can we use your coin? Can we use your coin? I like that coin. 48.49. You throw I call.
48.50,
Of
49.50.
course it's a coin flip.
47 or 5? 48.49.
You said 49?
4,800, 4,900.
No, 48.50, 49.50.
4,800, 5,000. Run it. Same middle point for you. You're 4,900 right there. Let's go. 4,800, 5K, row.
All right.
Don't mess it up. Throw it right here.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah, like always, baby. Row collectibles. Never let me down, baby. Right here. Tails, 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 tails. That was a horrible throw.
Let's go.
He's so happy.
God, I never win against you.
Bro, give me a hug. I love you, bro.
Let's go.
I love you, man.
Oh my God.
5K. You just cooked me, my guy. You just got like 87%. I want Aerodactyl. I want Charizard EX. And I want the Cobalion thing.
Which one?
Whatever that is. Iron Crown. And Espeon. Aerodactyl's around 200, 210. I want the Pikachu as well. Fuck it.
I ain't budget too much off of that, I'll be
What?
honest. I ain't budget too much off the Pikachu.
I hate that Master Ball. These are last souls, my guy. Oh, so you're perm on 350?
That's it.
You're not going down?
No,
It's not gonna go back up.
I don't care.
There's like no sales over 300. Okay,
I really don't want to sell, to be honest with you.
I feel you. All right, let's cook, let's cook. This?
What do you want? You don't want this?
No, CGC is garbage. Charizard?
I'm garbage too.
No,
What
you're
this? That's cool.
garbage pulls.
This? You want this?
Tyranitar? Or Aerodactyl?
Close enough.
Just put some wings on Tyranitar, you're there.
Same thing.
Iron Crown? 170 market, 180.
70, you said, when you
There's a 150 sale.
What?
There's a 190 and a 150.
That's fine.
Scammer pulls.
I'll believe you.
I'm not even gonna alt that. This is like 200, this is like 275, and this is 220.
Okay.
You cool with those numbers for market?
Sure.
Sure.
220.
This is our first ever deal, man.
I know.
Here I'm with Kirby pulls.
Kirby Bulls.
Kirby pulls.
Kirby Bulls. What'd you say this one? 210?
Sure.
You're crazy.
Even though it's like a 180 sale.
No, it's not. You're lying. What'd you say, 170?
Yeah. 50 plus 180
What was this?
plus 170,
What was this?
180.
Plus 50?
Yeah,
So
sure.
you're not gonna comp it? Alright, then 75 please.
1105, huh?
Yeah.
Espeon, Aerodactyl, Charizard, Rainbow Latios, Giratina, and this Iron Crown. Flip me 900 or 950.
900, 950?
Goated floors. Look, he's got Milky Bags to the next level right here, baby.
Bags.
What are they called? Pigeon bags?
Yeah, these are pigeon bags.
They are? Okay. These are better than pigeon bags. $30? Fuck. 85% is like 930 something.
Let's do 920 or 960.
You want to do a small flip? Sure, fuck it. You have a coin?
No.
Sticker flip?
We can do it. You want to?
Hold on, let me see if it's fucked.
Do it again.
What the
It's
fuck?
gone. It's gone.
Hey, K&M, stop eating your sandwich and give me a coin. We can't get a regular coin, bro. It's gonna break your display case. All right, Charmeleon heads, Pikachu's heads, you throw, I call.
I'll throw you. Can you call it or
Yeah,
what?
yeah, I'll call it right here. Throw it right here. It has to land on the table.
Alright.
Don't destroy my slabs.
Ready?
Grab. Tails.
Haha, you lost.
You said.
I feel like he hit it midair. The fuck? What do you value this shit at?
I need to check. I don't know. It's still
580, 550 to 580. Okay, 570, 800, 750. Cool. You can add those comps. What do you have on this?
I think this is like 310.
Yeah, that's fine. 310, I'm fine.
Let me check.
That's fine, bro. That's cool. It's like 320, 310, something like that. Yeah. What do you have on the arrows? 650 or
7.
Tina's? 7? That's crazy.
680.
240 on that.
Oh, all right. 340.
No, 330. It just went up. Yesterday was 320. Look. 320.
All right, fine. 320. Damn, drip that bad?
What?
The drip that bad?
Comments are gonna go wild again. Snowflakes in the chat. Godin's cracked again. Ugh. Fuck these comms.
Yeah, baby.
Last still 250.
260.
Okay, fuck it. Do you even have your coin? You're so excited.
Oh, yeah.
260 on Slowpoke Psyduck. What did you say on this? 380? 380 on this? You said?
Yeah.
So 260 on Slowpoke Psyduck, 360 or 380 on that. 680. Fuck it.
Last sold
680. Have you?
Last sold 7. I'm saying 7.
Hold on. Plus 680. Plus 680. 320. Happy?
Okay.
250 on Rainbow Charizard. Before that was Espeon. We just added. So plus 250. 750 on Munch Eevee. 800 on Test Tube Mewtwo. And 570 on this Greninja, you said, right?
Yeah.
4690 is market.
47. Were you really at 46.90?
I'm not paying you that though. Come on.
I'm happy with 4. Let's do this.
No flip? You got all excited. Oh, I'm gonna flip Golden Pools.
But
Oh.
usually it's a good number, so I don't.
You just want straight 4? Come on, live a little.
All right, 30.
39.41. Fuck it.
39.41 flip.
Where's your coin? Ready?
Flip, you call?
Yep. You know how it goes. Golden. What kind of coin is this, bro? A nickel? Oh, fuck you, bro. He's coming with a nickel. I haven't seen a nickel in like 2 years.
This is a special sauce. You only beat me with quarters. Nickels is different.
Okay, that's a head. That's a heads. Tails is the building. All right.
Good?
Yeah. 3,900, 4,100. Maybe let's go. Tails.
Golden balls!
You want to run it back? 4K or 42? Hey, you get your 4 regardless.
I don't want to do this to you.
Why?
You're going to be sad.
If I lose?
Yeah, you're gonna
Oh,
lose.
I've lost like $500 in a row to AJ.
You want to go again? You really want to go again? I'll do 4 or 4.
I lost the flip. Should I run it back again for $100? Yeah, I'm gonna run it back. 4K or 4,200. Throw it. Go, go. Tails, tails. 4K or 42, please. Fuck yeah. Golden Buzz. There we go. There's our 4K I wanted to pay.
You run it back? 39 or 41?
No, fuck you. There we go.
Hey,
You got,
can we cut that ending out though?
why?
Because I want.
You wanted to feel good about yourself? Let the world know that he lost in the end. Hey, actually, you won. You got your $4 grand that you wanted.